I fell asleep with my laptop on and it died during the night. When I woke up, I heard a low, persistent static buzzing sound that drove me crazy. I thought it was my laptop's fault, especially since I had spilled cider on it earlier. But when I realized my laptop was dead, I was stumped. How could there be static noise with no electricity? I tried flipping my laptop, charging it and turning it on and off, but the noise didn't stop. I called my dad, an IT guy, and he told me to bring my laptop to the shop in the morning. But when I put my laptop in the bathroom and closed the door, the static noise still came from my desk. That's when I discovered the real cause. My metal knitting needles had come into contact with my lamp's MagSafe charger, creating the static noise. I removed the needles and the noise stopped. Now I have my silence back, but the buzzing still haunts my mind.